I don't flipping care if I get wet. Yes, I know. A little bit of rain never hurt no one. I forgot to shut the door.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I think it's the weather too.
When you get power, because you're hiding on that house.
I didn't see lightning, but I ran back anyway.
That's fine.
I don't even know where the lightning is.
I haven't seen any more other than it's over there. It's right over there. This one, so it's really dark.
Second thunderstorm of this summer. All in the same month. Is that guy going for a walk? You think the lightning is coming because I can wait until if lightning is coming, the dark clouds start to get lighter. That's how I know. Maybe come over here, Daddy, so you don't get wet. Hey, Walter. Punch buggy.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. He went up here twice already.
The birds are going to their tree.
White
Yeah.
back, you didn't say white. How long did you sit on last night? You gotta say the color of it.
Whatever. I screwed up.
Oh, you're in right past. Wide TV, but that box in the living room's not hooked up to the internet. So.
Did I just see something in the corner of my eye?
I mean, is that the Derek Eaton?
Yes, I did. It was lightning. Didn't know where. Don't know where it came from, but it came from somewhere. Trying to get the darker spots, but I can't.
Once you come home, shut that door, okay? It's meant to be there, like.
This one?
Why do we always get places that lose power?
I have no idea.
Can you move, honey?
We have tin foil?
No.
Huh?
Yeah, why?
You want to wrap them up, throw them in the barbecue. They cook in the barbecue.
Oh.
Who just had a loud vehicle?
It still doesn't help us. What are we gonna have with it?
Well, I don't know. Put it in the pot, put it in the barbecue.
Yeah.
Oh, we just wait. That's all we can do is
I know. That's right. Looks like it's going over.
I hope it does. Or I mean, I hope it goes over for now and rains tomorrow morning.
Yeah, but there's more rain coming tonight, Daddy. I just like recording the rain and stuff. Where the heck was the lightning this time? Down that way, maybe? Yes, I did. I put them on the table.
Do you have your sound on so you can hear the thunder?
The sound is always on when I record.
Oh, okay.
They'll be able to hear it. But the only thing is, I might have to do it on YouTube again because it's too long to send on Discord.
Oh my. Going over us.
I don't see lightning. I'm not going far. I was trying to get over there. No, I was looking around the corner because it's nice down there. See? They're all scattered all around.
That one's going by now. There's one after this, you gotta worry about.
Is it the bad one? Okay, I'm tired. I am tired of getting wet. Whew.
Doesn't take long. Shut that door for me.
I'm cooled off now. I needed that. Storms.
We can eat well.
The thunder's talking to you, I see.
We're back on.
Expect rain around 5 p.m. Thunderstorms. 4:30.
4:30? Oh, that was later than that. I didn't work
Yeah,
that
Walter
long.
said there's another storm.
I told you, dear. That's why I said you're home already.
I'll move. Come on, rain, slow down. I want to get a chance to actually capture something beautiful. There was a rainbow after the last storm that I couldn't get because it was back there, behind us. It's ridiculous how that happened. Just waiting for the rain to sort of probably never do.
You know that fly almost went in your mouth when I was looking up at you?
I don't care. Frickin' fly.
Well, you would have cared.
If it went in your mouth, it hit her right beside the face. By your mouth.
You know, you don't stand beside that tree. What about this one?
Yeah, Walter's
Yeah.
standing there too.
We're all underneath it.
We shouldn't.
It's
they
not
say
lightning.
Yeah, it is.
That's lightning.
Yeah.
Where?
Didn't you see the flash?
My phone could have caught it. I looked this way, but my phone stayed here.
If I bring that up. We're standing around.
Oh, yards around big trees.
That's funny, Walter. I looked this way with my head, but my phone was facing this way. Where did the lightning come from?
Okay.
Was it over there?
Yeah.
My phone must have caught it then.
Thunder is one of the biggest wonders of the world. I love it. Oh,
Uh-oh. Isn't that funny? After that flash, you hear a siren? This one is going around us, isn't it?
That one.
There's another one, Walter. Good grief. Then why does it look so nice over there? And why are people going for a walk? I mean, that guy went for a walk. And no, I didn't see that flash, which is kind of weird because I wasn't looking. I never looked. I'm afraid of lightning. Why would I look? What happened down there? I hear sirens.
Well, they got hydro now.
So do we, Walter.
On that desert. There's the desert.
No, I see light in the kitchen. Oh yeah, there is more rain coming.
That's the one I'm worried about.
This one,
That one right there.
just in case it comes. I know it's above right now, but that could change. Whew. Well, I got cooled off. Now I got the chills. Maybe it's a good thing I wasn't on my laptop. It was plugged into the extension cord. It didn't.
Turned into a little big one. That's how much widespread is going.
It's okay. Bobby, don't come over. We just had a big downpour and it's still raining.
Well,
Let's try for another day.
wouldn't it have hit Walkerton before Hanover?
Yeah. She texted me, I didn't text her, so.
I got the chills. The rain cooled me off. Where's the lightning now? Where the hell did it go?
Might not see it, could have been out of town.
Could be at another town, but yet we can still hear the thunder.
Oh yeah.
Thunder travels for miles, miles and miles.
So you could hear this in Walkerton?
Yep.
Yeah. There goes a squirrel up a tree.
Fuck this, I'm going home.
Yeah, trees are not really safe.
Don't tell the squirrel that.
I'm just saying, trees aren't safe.
That's a yes or no question.
When he hits the tree, you'll see a big black fluff come flying out. Poof.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't get how trees are safe for birds and
They're not, Carolyn. Trees stand up tall and out in the open. In
yeah, and that's all they have to go is a tree.
Lightning attracts anything that's
There's metal standing up high. It'll hit the metal first
hit the metal
because
first.
it's a conductor.
I wouldn't want to be over there if that ever happened.
So you're standing there, it's gonna hit there because that's a metal pole.
It's a pole
Yeah, but
first.
wouldn't you feel it?
You feel
You'll feel
ground
static,
vibrate.
static electricity, yeah.
but it won't hurt you. You like touching that ball there and all your hair came up and then that's what all you be doing.
Yeah, and maybe you won't
Friction
do it
in
again. You won't do it again.
Oh yeah, at the
Science center.
Science Center in Toronto.
You touch the ball and all your hair stands up.
Yeah,
I did that.
see?
That's
That's
all it is.
static
It was static
electricity.
electricity. I touched that.
It's like you rub a balloon on your head and your hair sticks up, but the balloon will still stick to the wall. You ever done that? Yeah, you have.
Is that called a rolling thunder or a rumbling thunder?
Rumbling. It keeps going and it turns into a roll.
Yeah, like that. Sounds like
Oh my
someone's.
God. Do you have to leave yet?
God, I hope so. Did it stop raining a little bit?
Yeah.
Finally. So I wanted.
Yeah, don't step in the mud when you're wearing those slippers in the house.
Trying not to. I'm also trying to record the dark.
Walk in the
Walter's right though. There's clouds over there too. Whatever. I don't really wear them anyway. I walk around in bare feet as it is. I like filming the night sky too. I don't care if it's over. I wait till it's fully over. Jeez. What I'm trying to see is if I can get a rainbow or something, because I see the sun trying to come out too with the rain, and I'm trying to get something on camera. That's basically what I look for after a storm, is rainbows. Not flipping. Gotta be. Like this nice sky. Nice sky. Again. Nice sky followed with more clouds. Walter. Nice sky followed by more clouds. I can zoom it in. What? I wish I could get away from the tree, but I can't. No, give me the storm, not the bright sun. Good God. Shush. She tells me to stop filming because it's gone. Yeah, right. Like I'm gonna stop. I like recording. I'm gonna go. Nah. I'm gonna go back over here. I was hoping to get something on camera. So much thunder. What about me? Oh boy. Here I am trying to still get some of the dark clouds in my... Walter got in my video again. But Mom told me not to... Ah, boy. How the frick do you...
Just pull it straight off.
No, Walter hooked it.
Put it in the sidewalk. I'm gonna bring it back over.
You said the sidewalk.
Yep.
Walter, stop getting in my videos, will you?
Stop pointing your at me.
I can't help it. Still raining. Oh, jeez. Imagine the rainbow be behind the house. That's what happens every time. Oh, look, the sun came out again. Sunlight. Sunlight, followed by more clouds. Good Lord. Ooh. snow. Woo! Sunlight.